Hey everyone, Mark here from IT Learn TV, and welcome back to the Bandit Bash series. And today we're cracking up the level 11, 10, 11, if that's right. No, we are already in 11, okay, 11 to 12. The password is hidden and in the data text again. So using the what we call here is the ROT13 cipher. So there's a data dot text where all lowercase, uppercase letter were being rotated to 13 positions. So how we're going to use that? So this is the command that we're going to solve this level. So the password is here is hidden. If we're going to check here, probably already here already in the server. Going to cut on it. Okay, hidden. So we're going to use here the ROT13 cipher, a simple letter substitutions where each letter is rotated in 13 positions. So again, don't worry, we'll use the classic basic Linux tools to decode it in the terminal in the right terminal. So again, uh, this is the file look like, and if you're going to decode it by using the tr. Let me man the TR first. What's TR here? Translate or delete the character. Okay? From A to Z. He said here A to Z. A to Z. Okay? And rotate to 13 positions. Okay? Uh, this is what we're going to use. And for us to decode this, so if we're going to cut, as usual, the data here is cannot be decrypt in our objective here. So if we're going to tr here, the A, the Z character, and the lowercase character, and then N to Z, okay, and A to M, and the Z, okay, very tricky, Z, and A to M. So if we're going to check this, so he tried to check this alphabetical. So password next to level stored in the data text were all level lowercase and then uppercase. A letter has been rotated in 13 positions. So 13 positions. So one, two, three, four. Okay, so to check on it, A to Z and Z. Okay, M. So this is the password. Oh, you see the difference if you're going to cut is this is what the output look like. But if you're going to use this data A to Z, okay, you decrypt it. So the password is this one. Okay, very tricky. But as usual, this is the password already, but we solved the things here that we need. We already put in the position that the password is incorrect. Very clever. Okay, so I'm going to paste this letters password 12 for the reference that we already uh, done this. Okay, so if you're going to disconnect, and this is the last episode that we're going to solve. All right, and we're going to use the password here. All right, so this is handy if you want to decode the ROT13 frequently. It's just an ROT13 instead of a long TR command. So our ROT13 is fun historical cipher. So, but it's not a secured. It's just a basic substitution. So TR here we use here is incredibly versatile. So not only for our ROT13 but also character replacement from the upper to lowercase conversions and simple encoding tricks. So that's it. So 11 to 12 is done. So we're using the 13, ROT13 simple but powerful. Just a few keystroke and password is revealed. So if you're enjoying this walkthrough again, so please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch the next bandit level. So keep practicing the bash skills and every make you strong command line ninja. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.